Hi friends! For math today, we're going to do a review subtraction interactive slide. Okay friends, so remember when it's interactive, that means you can move the pieces. So we're going to look at the subtraction sentences. 8 minus 5 equals. So what you can do, friends, you can use a piece of paper, you can draw a picture to figure this out, you can use your snap cubes to solve this, you can always use your fingers or a number line. So we're going to think about if I have 8 minus 5. So remember, we're going to take away 5. So I'm starting with 8 and I'm going to take away 5. I want you to think about how many we're left with. So start with 8, take away 5, we're left with 3. So watch this, boys and girls. You can move the 3 over. Okay, so see how this slide moves? All right, friends, you're going to do your very best on this slide. Remember, use any strategy you want to solve it. And then Mrs. Newlands or I will see you back here at the end of the day.